and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So today's category from the website is more off the canvas items, or at least I like to call them off the canvas items. But yeah, they are general sort of diamond painting, but not on a canvas. So let me show you what I've got, and if you're not sure what I mean, it'll probably make more sense. So this first one, there's quite a few different ones that I've not seen before. This one is popping out the box, but, oh, that's why there's tape on there. Let me just get this tape off here. But yeah, these are some sort of fun, different kind of things that have caught my eye. So this first one is like a little sort of shelf caddy thing. So this is what was sticking out the bottom, is the little feet. And then you diamond paint this, pop it in the bottom of here, and you've got one of those pretty little trays. So whether you use it to store some bathroom items, maybe, probably seal it first before putting soap and stuff on there. But yeah, bathroom items, makeup items. I actually use a tray, which I may replace with this one. I need to check the sizing, but I actually use a tray on my sort of chest of drawers. Dressing table holds my moisturiser, toner, deodorant, that sort of hairbrush, that sort of stuff, so that it is there to just grab and do. So yeah, I thought this was such a cute little option to bring your little diamond painting pizzazz to that area of your home. You do get a toolkit complete with this one. There are a few different designs. This is just one that caught my eye personally, but there are loads of different designs. They're done with primarily rhinestones. So we have some clear or silver, ooh, like a plummy purple, pink. Then we have some like 310, oh, black, gold, a pale blue, very pale blue, pale pink, a little bit more of a, I want to say plummy pink, but it's not. The other one's a bit more plummy. This one's a bit more in between. Then we have like a coppery reddy type colour, some pink, some grey, and then some big, more sort of black rhinestones, in the fact that they're shaped like rhinestones, but they're not silver backed rhinestones. And that is sort of your bigger parts in the middle. So some really, really nice colours in that one. So that is off the canvas item number one. So as you can tell, it's not a diamond painting, but it is still the diamond painting craft. So that's number one. Number two, and this is where I'm trying to remember what number two was. There were just so many different new items. I'm sure I switched some of them out a couple of times because I was like, oh no, I like that one. Oh no, I like that one. So you might see some of the others in future videos, but as I say, for this series of videos I wanted to do like different things. This one is complementary to this other one, because it has got the same sort of design, but this one, that was what it, you know, I put it together and my brain's still going, what? And then all of a sudden it's twigged. So yeah, so on this one you actually do each half of the design, but then the idea is that you pop these two together, and this is a book holder. So whether it be a recipe book holder or just a reading book holder, maybe you like to read while you're doing a little diamond painting. But yeah, quite a simple concept, but pretty. So you end up with all your sparkles all on this top part. And then this bottom part still shows the pattern, but isn't actually diamond painted. And of course they come apart so that you can work on them flat. They are both the same design when you look at them that way, but once you put them in like that, of course, it sort of joins them but doesn't. Gives it a bit of a different look. It actually smells really, really nice. I don't know whether there's some perfume or something that's got on this, but that has a really, really nice smell. So you do get a toolkit. Again, these are, well, in fact, there's no point in opening those. These are pretty much exactly the same sort of colourings as this tray. It's the same design. It's probably what grabbed me as well, as the fact that you can get some that are sort of the same design. So you can see all the way across, that is the same design, but on two different types of surfaces. So this one is an acrylic, and this one is wood. So yeah, that was item number 2. In fact, let me put all the packaging gubbins down there, and leave, oh, my camera does not like it when I leave it with just a desk to look at. So let me get that to go in there. So there we go, we have the book holder, we have the little sort of makeup tray, and then this one's a different design, but I love the concept of this one. Yes, I am one of those people. Okay, so you do get some foam pieces that you can use just to help with each separate piece, but you've basically got 3 different sections. I don't know why I'm turning it round, just so that the letters are the right way up, because it's a design that can be seen from multiple different directions. But these again are on wood. And you do quite a lot, there's quite a lot of design on this one to keep you busy, even though it is still what I'd call a partial, because all the diamonds aren't like touching together. You're basically highlighting all the areas. You've got this design. Oh, put my cork pieces. Then we have this gorgeous bird design, followed by this flower design. And then you get the pieces to pop this together to basically make yourself an afternoon tea stand. So you've got the big section for your handle at the top, and then your sections for going in between to give you your 2 spaces, and you can make yourself a diamond painting afternoon tea. How adorable is that? Again, we've got rhinestones, we've got a few different other types. So we've got sort of a teardrop in orange, we've got a big one in red. Let's actually get them open. I think my battery's going to run out on my camera, but if it does, it does. So we have some sort of silver and clear, pink, turquoise, some lime green, some yellow. We do end up with like a couple of bags of most colours because there's a lot of design here. Then we have orange, red, blue, purple, some darker purple, some pink, green, gorgeous little petals in the silver or the clear, teardrops in red, teardrops in the silver or clear. Again, got a real nice shine on those. Purpley blue, depending on how you look at them. Round ones, teardrops in orange, and big dots in red. And yeah, you can make yourself a tea stand and then use these on the bottom of the big one just to keep your sort of work surfaces clear. You can fit the 4 of those on the bottom of there just to help it when it is nestled on the side. So yeah, they are my 3 picks for off the canvas items for today. So I will pop links to each individual one, but as I say, have a browse. There are different designs available if these ones don't speak to you. But thank you so much to Fansells for letting me have a good old browse to share these all with you. And thank you to you guys for watching. Do let me know in the comments down below which one's your favourite, what you might use them for. Anything like that. I'm always interested to hear your thoughts back. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.